The medicinal properties of garlic. Hello everyone! Today, I want to share with you the incredible benefits of a humble yet powerful natural remedy, garlic. Known scientifically as Allium sativum, garlic has been celebrated for thousands of years for its medicinal properties. From ancient civilizations to modern health practices, garlic has proven to be a remarkable ally for maintaining wellness and preventing disease. Garlic is most famous for its immune-boosting abilities. It contains sulfur compounds, most notably allicin, which have potent antimicrobial effects. These compounds help the body fight off infections, bacteria, viruses, and even some fungi. Including garlic in your diet can strengthen your immune system, helping you stay healthy, especially during cold and flu season. Another significant benefit of garlic is its cardiovascular support. Studies have shown that garlic can help lower blood pressure, reduce cholesterol levels, and improve overall heart health. This is largely due to its ability to relax blood vessels and reduce inflammation. Regular consumption of garlic can support a healthy heart and lower the risk of cardiovascular diseases naturally. Garlic is also known for its antioxidant properties. Antioxidants are essential for protecting your cells from damage caused by free radicals. These harmful molecules can accelerate aging and contribute to chronic diseases. By including garlic in your daily routine, you provide your body with powerful antioxidants that help maintain vitality and overall health. One of the most fascinating aspects of garlic is its anti-inflammatory effects. Chronic inflammation is linked to many health problems, including heart disease, arthritis, and certain cancers. Garlic's natural compounds help reduce inflammation in the body, supporting long-term wellness and improved quality of life. Garlic is not only beneficial for internal health, but also for detoxification. It can help the liver neutralize toxins and support the body's natural detox pathways. This makes garlic an excellent addition to a holistic health routine, especially when combined with a balanced diet and proper hydration. In addition, garlic may improve digestive health. It promotes the growth of beneficial gut bacteria while inhibiting harmful bacteria. A healthy gut is crucial for nutrient absorption, immune function, and overall energy levels. By including garlic in your meals, you support digestive balance naturally. For practical use, there are several ways to incorporate garlic into your daily life. Raw garlic, crushing or chopping garlic activates allicin. Eat 1 clove per day for maximum benefits. Cooked garlic. Even though some allicin is lost during cooking, cooked garlic still provides antioxidants and nutrients. Garlic supplements. Standardized garlic capsules can offer a convenient way to enjoy its medicinal properties if raw garlic is too strong for daily consumption. It is important to note that while garlic is generally safe for most people, some may experience mild digestive discomfort if consumed in large amounts. Additionally, those on blood-thinning medications should consult their healthcare provider, as garlic can have a natural blood-thinning effect. In conclusion, garlic is much more than a flavorful ingredient in your kitchen. It is a natural powerhouse with immune-boosting, heart-supporting, antioxidant, anti-inflammatory, and detoxifying properties. Incorporating garlic into your diet is a simple yet highly effective way to improve overall health and prevent disease naturally. Whether you add it to your meals, enjoy it raw, or take a supplement, garlic offers timeless benefits that have been recognized across cultures and generations. Embrace garlic as a cornerstone of your natural wellness routine, and you'll experience the remarkable ways it supports your body, mind, and overall vitality. Thank you for listening, and I hope you'll harness the medicinal power of garlic to support your health naturally. Stay healthy, stay strong, and enjoy the gifts that nature provides.